Welcome to the course, Prompt Engineering for Beginners, How to Talk to AI and Get Paid for It. In this lesson, we'll dive straight into one of the most powerful tools you can master, the anatomy of a good prompt. Think of a prompt as a conversation starter with AI. If you speak clearly and with structure, AI responds like a professional. If you're vague, it gets confused, just like a human would. So what makes a great prompt? It follows a simple, universal structure. Okay, role, task, context, constraints, output format. Let's break it down. Number 1, role. You tell the AI who it is. For example, you are a Power BI consultant. This sets the perspective and tone, just like assigning a role in a company. Number 2, task. Next, you define what you want. For instance, create a report summary or draft an email. Without a clear task, the AI won't know where to focus. Number 3, context. You have defined the role and the task. Next, you describe the background or situation. For example, the report shows quarterly sales data from Europe. Context makes your prompt specific, and specificity equals quality. Number 4, constraints. Your prompt contains role, task, and context. We're almost there. But we still need 2 more things. Constraints are the rules or limits you want the AI to follow. You can say, keep it under 100 words or use simple language. Constraints help you control the tone, style, and length. Number 5, output format. Finally, tell the AI how to deliver the result. For example, write it as bullet points or output in a clean table. This ensures the result fits your workflow right away. Now, let's see the structure in action with a few quick examples. Wow! Data analysis. Act as a Power BI consultant. Analyze this sales data and identify 3 key trends. Present them in a table. Business writing. Act as a communication expert. Draft a professional email to a client summarizing project results in under 150 words. Learning. Act as an economics tutor. Explain regression like I'm 12 years old using simple examples. That's it. Role, task, context, constraints, output format. It's your new formula for talking to AI clearly and effectively. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to choose the right type of prompt for your specific goal, from automation to analysis to creativity. Stay tuned and get ready to become fluent in the language of AI.